There's a fair amount of research now about the fact that Yellowstone may actually be dying out. How would that happen? That would happen because Yellowstone is a hotspot volcano. That means there is a superheated plume of mantle material coming from deep within the Earth to Earth's surface. The plume stays stationary, and our tectonic plates, our crust, move above it. As our crust moves across the hotspot plume, the plume is now underneath much thicker crust than it used to be. Not all of Earth's crust is the same thickness, and over the last several thousand to million years, and in the future, Yellowstone will continue to move under thicker and thicker crust, making it harder and harder for that eruptive material, that heat, to actually reach the surface and cause any eruptions. And I understand why that would seem counterintuitive, because compared to a lot of volcanoes that we see in the US, Yellowstone looks really active, but that's because it's a massive system. This is what we call baseline activity for the volcano. Normal activity does not increase the odds of an actual eruption. In fact, if you compare it to how active it was when it was actually having these large eruptions, it's far less active now than it was all those years ago, and it will likely continue to get less and less active in the future.